Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to receive money from Western Union directly into your Mercado Pago account. This is a fast and convenient way to get funds without going to a physical branch. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure you have a Mercado Pago account. Log in on your browser and confirm that your personal information is complete and verified. Western Union transfers only work when your Mercado Pago profile is active and matches your ID details. Step 2. Tell the sender to use Western Union. The person sending you money should choose Western Union as their transfer method and provide your full name exactly as it appears on your Mercado Pago account. After completing the transfer, they'll share with you the MTCN, Money Transfer Control Number. Step 3. Go to the Western Union section in Mercado Pago. On your Windows PC, open your Mercado Pago dashboard, look for the Western Union or Receive Money option, and enter the MTCN along with the transfer details. Step 4. Confirm and receive the funds. If the information matches, the money will be credited to your Mercado Pago balance. From there, you can use it to pay bills, shop online, transfer to your local bank account, or withdraw cash through Mercado Pago's available options. Step 5. Keep track of fees and limits. Western Union and Mercado Pago may apply certain limits on how much you can receive per transaction or per month. Always review the terms inside your account before relying on it for larger amounts. Quick tip: always double-check the MTCN code digit by digit to avoid errors, and make sure the sender uses your registered name exactly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.